Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto G72 and I'm gonna show you how to transfer the files from the internal storage to SD card and other way around. First, we need to open the file manager on our phone. You can do it by swiping upwards on the home screen to open the app menu, and once you open the app menu, you can find the app called Files and tap on it. And here we have our file manager. Now, let's scroll down and find the category called Storage Devices. And on it you should see the internal storage and SD card. First, we want to move the files from the internal storage to the SD card, so let's tap on Internal Storage. And now you should see the list of folders and files basically on your internal storage. And we can look for the files we want to move. So for example, I'm gonna open the DCIM folder, camera, and here we have a couple of photos. And let's say I want to move them to SD card. So first we need to select them. To select them, simply press and hold on one to enter the selection mode. And once you enter the selection mode, you can check or uncheck them by tapping on the files. And once you check the files you want to move, you can tap on the More Options icon right here in the top right corner to open the menu and tap on the Move To option. And then select the SD card because we want to move the files to the SD card. So tap on SD card. This will open the list of files and folders on the SD card. Now let's open this folder, camera. And of course you can add a new folder if you want to by tapping Add New Folder. But let's say I want to move the files right here. So I'm gonna tap on Move Here. As you can see, 6 files moved to camera. And now when we go back to the home page of the application, of the Files app, open the SD card, DCIM, camera, and here we have our photos. So that's how you move the files from the internal storage to SD card. And to do it other way around, simply find the files you want to move. So of course, let's open the SD card, find the files, and then select them. So this time I'm gonna move only 3. Then tap on the More Options icon, Move To, select the internal storage. This will open the list of folders. Find the folder, tap on it to open it. And for example, this time we're gonna make a new folder. So I'm gonna tap on Add New Folder. Name it something like Moved Files. And then tap on Move To folder. So basically it's gonna create the folder and move the files there. So if we go back to the home page of the Files app, tap on Internal Storage, DCIM, camera, we should see the Moved Files folder. And when you open it, the files will be here. Okay. And now we can close the application. And that's how you move the files from the internal storage and vice versa. Or rather from the internal storage to SD card and vice versa, my bad. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.